Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable bass boost in your Creative Pebble Nova 2.0 speaker. So, to enable bass boost, we have to at first enter the application, which is called the Creative application. Here we have to tap equalizer, and we have to tap here on this preset name and arrow. Now we have to scroll all the way down. Here they have bass boost. We have to tap that, and if we go back we can see that bass was enabled. But if you want to enable bass boost more, we have to just pull the slider to the maximum. I don't know why it's so buggy. Sometimes it's not working, but now as I can see it's working very nice. If you want to go back, we can just tap this arrow, and now as you can see we have our preset set to bass boost. That's it. Hope it helps and have a nice day. Goodbye.